One of the things that we're really looking forward to at National Theatre Wales is bringing companies together to work with us and to work with each other. And in April 2010, we have an extraordinary collaboration between Swansea's Volcano Theatre and the Welsh National Opera. We're going to be taking you on one of the most beautiful journeys of the year into Swansea Old Library. We're going to see some footage of the library now. I'd like you to imagine the Volcano and the Welsh National Opera have recruited a choir of librarians to guide you through Swansea Old Library, through the stacks where the books are stored, into a building that actually the public doesn't go into anymore because a new library's been built, as happens. But this library is one of the old domed libraries. It's got a beautiful, extraordinary reading room. You'll be taken on a private, secret journey through the bookstores, through the stacks, and into the reading room, where your choir of librarians and a group of dancers and performers will bring that reading room to life and give you a night to whisper about, shh, for a long time.